who is sent so be any so the Yano and also Moye.
So I am so suspended and minu niaje. Say one our professor who use you who use.
Obiaba nepen or the idea. So man is Shambla ma company, a company never Shambla mama.
Compare Nigeria, the highest say $29. But Ghana, it's way more than $80. So Minister Noyen, he has the interest of Ghanaians at heart.
And I saw when you can't say near my here says what it is on your TV.
Ghanaians are complaining. If they are complaining, the Ghanaian people should boycott it by themselves. If we decide that we are not subscribing, then they will take a decision to either go or reduce the price to stay in business.
Other countries now more kaya one in Nigeria no. What you are more there muchiano and lesser.
What about the party? Okay, if I show era Sam George, Eddie said DSTv. Or man to your prices so idea so suspended. So same way, then I reckon they are found.
Oh, me give this no because we share in Africa now compare prices. I want say Ghana is high. Compare Nigeria, the highest say $29. But the Ghana, it's way more than $80. So Minister Noyen, he has the interest of Ghanaians at heart. So yeah, they have bought money 90. I can't take Ghana for say we should support him. My the politics say I have why because how can say Nigeria afford $29 for compact? Now Ghana, you see $80. It may sure say Noyen, yeah, the part of bought money.
Yes, but it say woman to so unsuspended or supported with that.
Sure, because woman at them run a juma. Into be me met now mining yen now pay. DSTv almost for South Africa. Omoba eba now promo profit they are come crew. And this most more banners among ya there be favor or mine now some ya there more and I say you want to full as no. Start buying for some or want to TNT so. It is by now so 18 I think full as what name so dollar about for ne favor mu DSTv. Then tin amount to man so man favor Ghana for. It say o man comply there the best thing is be suspended and now mbeko na ya tina musa.
That's a say almost suspended na hamo. Mo did DSTv share board.
Oh, you high say mo mo so be hamo because almost so mnyamfa so mnyaska bibiro ha. Ultimate na obi man mu emfa na wo mra enye djuma. Say dollar no kosura na say tutufu e ma mbetutum. It say atete so e say mo so hu say mo tete so. It says some DSTv no, but now at least more subscribers be bring. Must be nyamfa so. It say we want say munya government should find alternative. Be on pay another channel be able to me so be a price near low boy because it's your mind when I'm running at your mind be ant me no pay na on fan ho kosa.
Wo inti no den na wo kan dia fa.
Who is sent so be any so the Yano and also Moye. DSTv or Ghana ni padro send use DSTv. Omo use the business. Also, when you music and then the Unia, maybe who is maybe to me, the Unia mamma. The Unia near my cost almost $1 above from the Slan man was winning here, and then the moon say, Vasobian is to me, the Vasobian is Sumama.
That's me, that's a fire. But who supported say, or supported era Sam George said DSTv for anti-tumor prices and so on suspend your moana.
But I'm supported say. So much is also spend on is your dollar number form. And this is so much is name also. And DSTv so like amount for social and this will be a person to be. It is a price no. Amount is be any like bit okota bit makoto but unti to ya this is your bones and this is your boys and any and then like this year I say we programs be one when we DSTv will be a person to be. This amount to swear. I could be also nyeska I would be to your patient no. Support to say like amount to swear. Almost suspend also Ghana.
Na so almost suspend there hamo.
Oh, since you are suspended there behind be say ye ni we bia apart from DSTv no ye say den ni channel bia say na ye pen ball to young boys na don say ye pe ball pa e ta kwhwe ball. Hey. And also what I say or suspended ni since so they are like and ye ni TV station bia like on so bit me born na na mai. Nti so otimi so na won kasa. Otimi no kasa no mote so
this year I know Ghana this year no never be board nti kasa mote so a asa mo boy na mote so ye nyina ndi dey ye so bottom ye enu nyina ye ma ba ko dey sere no o mo na tete ma no so o mote so mai why ene nkwa na hia me
but na DSTv no so almost suspend your mo mo be den because ye hu say mo ta hwepa
ye hwepa ni mo suspend na be asempa de ye so mo Momo swande na tiso mo tiso akama ye ne yesro mo why
We dey say here in that same
Ba afe na odi aba.
or aba because we share tax now was not is too much. It's too much and ready. Because woman can come because me say we are saying na that here. We share Nigeria for our DSTv tax na was so crampo. What they call a less cra. Na kan han kwa heading kwa tax what awesome and ready. And ready to mo bisa me kra me hu na me kan me ka se be Ghana dey no so nti on tete so kra dey in family because me say me su DSTv kra me to me su DSTv say me control decoder no ma decoder dey me say me TV because me passport pa nti aban say hard aban so mo mbo ye kun be na eton no mo ya advert me kakra man kakra nkran ye no mo ye juma media fo ye no na ye juma
Na say DSTv no mo ni je ho pa. Nti se ko ba ne se so man tete so na se o mo suspend ya ebe ha mo na e ha.
oh how dey but ma ahan mo no but I say minister no say o ye na sade because here what na na to mu kon there because some say mu ejai there but ma affecting international minister say there o ye na sade say bia dia because o man pan bia o ni minister obia na juma den oh ye because obia na juma den o ye ntino nyama kanon but some so muna ka mutwa ekobien I advert my say boss ladies ekobia yeah so me say ni na mutwa
So era Sam George or say DSTv for antete omo prices so a. Ya de say obe suspend yom. Sa sem we then abeka dey afa.
Yeah, DSTv, yeah, normal DSTv subscription, yeah. All right. To be honestly speaking, I buy me one idea. I met me say, so or cast or wanted to I will agree with that. All right. And on the second thought, and so I won't agree to that, and I say, maintain GTV that. And someone there DSTv, right? And GSTV. What is GSTv that? Okay. And now what is Africa STV that? Okay, the meaning of DSTv in the crime, but I didn't search right. But Ghana will be we Ghana, if I say 100%, so 60 and 70% will be subscribing to DSTv, right? Until the first I will catch almost say almost subscription, so and almost program so more than so bonus no. Ghana hano, yeah, a buyer meeting who can is it digital BBB the TBB say some digital box be aba and also to say DSTv say promotion here na cost one advert do do say no mo ye wo promotion do do be no mo ye wo platform no mo be no like then activities do do be pa na mo ye wo so a entertaining ma ye ain't no ya subscribe ya na ain't ya koto ya kodi e chire into to be honest speaking so ka so mo nti so a many DSTv company manager no crack. Like I say, if you agree, fine. If you won't agree, I leave. Honestly speaking, I'm providing them with entertainment because say DSTv normal big companies. When I say big bars and our pubs are organizing and organizing and arranging for football matches. Champions League in Kenya DSTv Ghana could be an overshoot. And this other catcher me say, I want them to decrease. Which platform then will be to no person who increase with them will be decreasing it. I'm not getting anything. Why don't you create some for you to go so gain? Ghana only program is and only much talented guys and now youth around that. Bet me, I perform and bet me. That be organization. I don't know what be na say license and what the amano sika wo no then ono social wo gini too much e ade anka wate wo ebo so akono so aye den wate ne bo so what you say intermedia na say media say television hwan menim organization da no say Ghana Broadcasting Network o say hwan I don't know omudin I don't know it is anka mate mo bo so anka mo so maye den o mate so because we are akura so ko TV license kura nyes ka kitwa me am my monokra me koji TV license me kra enye sika ketwa na mutua enti na se no so be yo beto na adwim because TV license zo koji kwa na be TV station kra advert ani pa be ye na wo benya mo fa so because wo kwa to timeline kra time kura sika kura okutua kura momo kura ba kwa beto time kura enye sika ketwa what you say nti DSTv de obi a odika nti se Sam George so on tia se dia omo
park your money.
omo nko kura me na masa momo nyina wa
So say so man to so be suspend you.
Mama, another make an tia se.
Matthias here pa.
Yes, with the suspension now work and me I don't agree to that. Why would you suspend me? What the government, what are you trying to do to help me for me to decrease or limit the price range I'm rising? What I say into tell me to me need the honest speaking to say kasa cry me there and worry. And then I am yeah also DSTv na buy na what was it? Big Brother Niger, one. See the kind of entertainment they brought to us. Yeah, all those are the same entertainers. Easy of stress and then and then program the all others and so football matches. You mean Ghana program be Ghana TV station be out to me. It's most people being confounded. The most more calm.
Because in the Ghana member, as I say, I been with Abasono. We did you almost a woman a young phone now that Omoatomo. The answer into me and should DSTv, yes, you have to scar. I could to be because a boy didn't to me a person, yet to channels no, yet scatter stations, in this car, yet to be, as you penetrate. And I'll call Santa Bua Okosha, Scum or Comer Johnson, Okosha matches, I know them. Into all kind of many drink power, Monte so, they so. In this kind of to be, young should be, you suffer that young Sam George, but then as we and this are by the Misham on the watering pa and no damn woman on my Ghana. The Misham be brave.
A bebo companies in some day or private companies in Obiaba, Nepen or the other. So man is Shambla, my company, a company in a best Shambla mama. Tia Beboa.
Sinu so man is so suspend you.
100%. Menini agree 100%.
No suspend you more and hard in terms of guys or more kosher boy and answer more use DSTv possibly.
You see, I will be below Moshe Bon or so phone so and they are that way. And the answer that hard assemble and do a monomotiso. Send Nigeria price for Madden Ghana, the any boom from other so Nigeria and Ghana. And so Nigeria and Ghana and TSA Ghana so no buffalo to a beboa.
And near my attention to TV, no can see a TV, TV, Gadia has a TV count.
So no a minister of communication.
And I saw when you can't say near my has what it is on your TV. The Hiana say, almost one mate, fence a petrol at $1 so. And so send you now your kufu at the time you're turning your man. Sani, that's a ton in there. And maybe cook kufu at the time, Coco for CD, Sani, a son, Docono, 5 CD, say, crowd or Mateo Monsaso. I do with me Bodia, and 1 morning, say at Tesho. And 1 morning, so you'll be on a Timito more bag a train a dam, and then you'll be on a tongue gallon train a dam. Tianonum has a Tishonia TV, TV, dear non can be.
Now, DSTv and for a share.
Oh, DSTv, okay. Borrow almost her board, or so almost her board. Almost her board, almost also sing almost her board. Into DSTv and full beer. Your friend is saying, make crime no because me DSTv. Me ya into your dear here says no more yama a top by mine TV in Kahubi. Into another can say or Yanti TV show will be Antony TV issue I will tell me the church or yes. Inti ade hia ene so omo ba me hu se enema na kufu ado time no ne yeto no ne no sa enema ni nyina me dem kotokoko 3 CD a ana 2 CD a me hu sam papa ba na sem da so to no 4 CD dia o ka kire me so ate ade so a me nyini ma sem pa me wo kan no
Me da se pa
kam mo kam yentie ye mo me kra me nyan kam uti bia yini bia kam hwebi. So me na make
or the Totubia Nigeria, any other country, no share. Ghana did meet me who say, idea was say, and Fasono, Unyaba or penny double into the all kind of Mimian DC, so the all kind of me for us. Uchemo, so one, Tia, Auntie Swa. wontwam menene ya adwen no de menene ya menka se mini party minti obegu obi adwuma ba ye temamfo no ye ho edronti na wo ye sa nti no de otwam a mefoa no so
na so otwam a ha boys na omo hwe boss ni other movies ni
ehwe wo mo etia wo mo a wo mo no ekọ atua etia wo ma na be ma adwumayefo no ehu se the boys no enso eka no eye nokra na se wanya ne saade a na wo de wani to se boys ni nya bo nhwe dia e ba saade a obi abeye de o enti wo twam a na se omo so free se omo pe bo ahwa na omo so ne wo mo akokasa na omo atese nti se on ti so dia won twam no de menene ya ade
me da sepa
me so me da
honorable no tana oyene oye o man delivery no maintain all right it's true because na na then e be boy no we fight amaye it say ma we no other Liberia other countries na mo kaya won Nigeria no o sure mo dey amotua no lesser than Ghana there no that be an say na yen kwa Ghana there no ebe ya higher yes and there say mo comply with the country ne share or right right suspended so mo ntie na say mo there right is to be suspended another we are with him until sa na say ba no because wo ye adwuma ye krom na ada ye pese ye maye no won ye wo pa wo kwa profit ye dey ye we dia won ye that then or suspend a big deal bia we are see
I say omontiti so because say TV channels na dos na moreover na nkofo bebre so ntine fi nti say obetua every man be 300 cedis no ntine fi anhwa na say wa boka no nti mene ya dey say omontiti so no bia ntime hwe
na say o man tete so na suspend ya ham titi mu amode hwe ball ne other movies
yes because say channels ne dos enye sa channels ne TV station in Kwana omoye we football stations be brave or how everything actually if you walk right free it is so much so the other
suspension in the say basu because see we law of the country and the business I set up regulations because I don't know time dollar no I was sure we shoot DSTv okay we also use go TV it's meaning I'm too misa me if you answer see I'm use go TV 299 no reason first $9 na cost me I say dollar na be free am be shop no be there because of government say dollar na be free the who mean on the back something thing that first
na say wo hwe DSTv so man tete so na say Sam George or suspend your more emfa or how be am
for every data or ever share Netflix na do tell me so the same thing na why am Nigeria for now the same thing was set up when you be my issue let's say I share that let's see what chance
suspend the na kamisha da ni agenda because una person obey use DSTv a ompe but unti me ka say me use unti no suspend no na say una use obi be use and I make sure say price no obi pe ne sabe so be manage no do you get it in say ka say suspend na omo sports center na say omo yi ball e maye no so no esa no mo so mo adwuma na e ba for because obi ho no e no use die na adwuma in say ka jam say suspend na me ni agye say wo na prefer say who use but obi ho no matter how the prices of Felicio be use because onim de onya free but somebody like me no Ghana then no boy dey say outside is for the Zibia Nigeria for the subscription no e wo form but Ghana dey no high until say cast suspend here
or preventing ever form to say Nigeria.
So Obeka say Omanaba form there. I agree with him. Say Omanaba form, but say or suspend say crowd here. No, it's me possible. Say menini ni agenda.
So I don't know the company no or no edge company ni say omo tete what you say so man tete so no be suspend omo so omo operate
Suspend no or suspending both foreigners there and outsiders for them and I say Ghana for the so or suspending Ghana then they are fine because Ghana then is too expensive. I don't know some George no ya we say anything within Ghana Hanagasa DBA Ghana and the board they seen the outside ever. No ya we. Yes, so also suspending Ghana the end I may agree with him. But outside is for the normal to so my end I know the or also suspending I'm okay with that.
Okay, thank you. I think one DSTv a entity, a company, okay, that is operating within the shores of Ghana. Are there regulatory licenses they are supposed to have? Do they have it? Do they meet all regulatory licensing or requirements? If yes, it's an entity, and they are also looking at their cost of production. Are you getting this call? No, should be coming from the users. How should it be coming from the users? The users would rather have to find out if it is expensive. I was using DSTv. When I found out it was expensive, I stopped subscribing. Are you getting? It should not come from a minister. That one I don't agree.
But so no, because of a minister of communication, making that decision because of share prices, maybe a better man for use making that
as part of their regulatory requirements. Was pricing part? Did they say so? Okay, when you come, you have to price it at this rate that DSTv has gone overboard or gone above the threshold? If there was a pricing regime as part of the operational requirement, then fine. Maybe they have done something wrong. But if there is no pricing, they also look at their, operational costs and then they do it. Are you getting it? Until you say, I say, me business. That's me who me cost. Now my price, now say, say because Ghanaians are complaining. If they are complaining, the Ghanaian people should boycott it by themselves. If we decide that we are not subscribing, then they will take a decision to either go or reduce the price to stay in business. But the call coming from the minister, I don't think is the best.
Mr. Mankwa, me offer was a niska banye de awie project no. Eso de bia me offer sika ma ne wo problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap sending kan.
No so ne de.
Tap send here easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I will buy anything.
Chine say won call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. Oma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet woso. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika ko gu wallet no. Anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abere sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana hayru
sa pepe se si tap send that trena shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands and Austria. Tap send na
papa no